Hello friends, welcome back to HBAR Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. What changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in a previous 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and hit my 2k subscriber. My wish to hit 2k subscriber. Please help me and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. What changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in a previous 1 hour, 2 hour. Oh my god, it's a fun time of Hedera Hashgraph. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality. As you can see now on the graph of Hedera Hashgraph, so they are currently falling down, and now currently they are continue their dumping time. As you can see here, the changes as negative 0.67% changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 2 hour is $0.348011 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 2 hour. The current price of Hedera Hashgraph is $0.34388 is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph HBAR crypto. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What changes occur in the last 1 hour? Oh my god, in the last 1 hour is also a fall of Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see here, it's falling down, slowly, gradually falls down. The changes in the positive, so inshallah soon they are more positive. As you can see here, the change positive 0.94% changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph, and the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in a previous 1 hour is $0.347952 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 1 hour. So that's the live changes in Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour. Please don't forget to subscribe HBAR Tech channel and complete my 2k subscriber. That's the live price prediction. Thank you so much for watching.